Hello, today is Monday, 24th of January 2022. Today we're going to learn vehicles. Vehicles. Okay, let's learn some vocabulary first. Car, car, bus, bus, train, train, airplane, airplane, bike, bike, motorcycle, motorcycle, ship, ship, van, van, truck, truck, helicopter, helicopter, subway, subway. Okay, there are three types of vehicles. Vehicles by land, on water, or on air. Okay, let's learn some examples by land. Vehicles by land. Examples are car, bus, van, train, motorcycle. So those are examples of vehicles by land. There are also vehicles on water. Examples are boat, ship, yacht, yacht. Okay, those are examples of vehicles on water. There are also vehicles on air. Examples are plane, plane, helicopter, helicopter, air balloon, air balloon. So those are examples of vehicles on air. Okay, let's have a short question and answer. This one is a teacher and a student. If a teacher say, how do you go to school? How do you go to school? Let's try to look at the student's answer. Okay, he thinks of a bus. Okay, it means he answered the question, how do you go to school, by simply saying, I go to school by bus. How do you go to school? I go to school by bus. Okay, let's try to look at this example. How do you go to school? I go to school by bus. How do you go to school? I go to school by bike. You can also say, I go to school by car. I go to school by motorcycle. I go to school by train. So, how do you go to school? Now, for your activity, match the vehicle with its transport mode. Okay, for example, number one, a bus. For number two, a train. For number three, a plane. For number four, a ship. Okay, try to match the picture on your left to its proper transport mode. Okay, for letter a railway. For letter B, road, a road. For letter C, a water. And for letter D, on air. Okay, now for example number one, a bus. What transport mode can you see the bus? Is it A, B, C, or D? So the answer is letter B, on the road. You can see the bus on the road. For number two, a train. Okay, which transport mode can you see the train? Is it A, C, or D? The answer is letter A. On a railway, you can see a train on the railway. What about number 3, a plane? Okay, which transport mode can you see the airplane? Is it letter C or letter D? Okay, the answer is letter D, on air. Okay, what about for number 4? A ship. Okay, which transport mode can you see the ship? Okay, the answer is letter C, on water. Okay, that's your activity. And now for your worksheet, match the vehicle with its transport mode. So this is the copy of your worksheet. You can get a copy and answer through your cell phone and send it back to the line group when you're done. So good job. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Goodbye.